Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. USDCAD today analysis. All right, so let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the uptrend. This is your bullish breakout. Coming back to daily chart. Daily chart. So we are taking a pullback, I think. So let's go back to 4 hour. So 4 hour. This is your okay. So we are in the uptrend, right? This is your position. This is your free entry. Okay, so I'm a fool giving this to you for free. This candle is your long entry. That's where you make your entry right here. USD CAD is in the strong uptrend, so look for buys only. Okay, so this candle is your entry. Why am I saying this? Because some people might say that this is your rejection, so the price might push down. It may, but it may not, because in USD CAD you will not get the rejection or pullback until the EMA. It's very difficult to do that, because you see this was your head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder. This means this is a trend reversal which has happened. Okay, so this is your trend reversal in daily chart. And why the price might not come until the EMA? The reason is because in 4 hour we have started a new uptrend. Okay, so come back here. Maybe this is your new uptrend pullback and we may go up. Okay, anyway, so when should you enter buy? That will happen only if you get blue candle in 4 hour engulfing this red candle. Okay, so don't enter buy until the next coming blue candles in 4 hour eats this red candle. Once that happens, once the blue candle closes above this green EMA in 4 hour, that is your bull entry in USD CAD. That is too much for free. Okay, so subscribe, like, share, do all we discuss in the beginning. Join free Telegram. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.